Hello all, welcome to part 58 of Python tutorial. In this session, I'm going to explain and practically demonstrate about packages in Python. So let's get started. First of all, what exactly are these packages? Packages are nothing but folders whose purpose is to organize the stuff. For example, guys, let's take a laptop or a computer machine that you guys are using. Okay, in that we generally have different drives like C drive, D drive, E drive. Okay, and inside the drives we'll have a lot of files. For example, if you take any C drive or D drive, right, in your computer machine or laptop, there will be a lot of folders. Why we have to create so much of folders, or why by default in our computer machines there are so many folders in C drive or something like that? The purpose is to organize the stuff. Okay, we have to organize the stuff. For example, in my laptop, okay, in my laptop, if I take you to any of the drives, okay, let's say I'll take you to this C drive here. You see there are a lot of folders here. The purpose of the folders is to organize the stuff, right? So here you see this is the folder I created, okay, where I am putting all my stuff. Okay, I'm just dividing all the stuff and all. And also if I go to any other program files or so, you'll see a lot of folders here. Okay, Java related folder, all the files and folders related to Java are under this folder. Okay, if you go to any other folder like Microsoft, I mean Microsoft or something, Mozilla or something like Firefox, right, you can see all the folders related to files and folders related to Mozilla Firefox under this folder. So the purpose of the folders is to organize the stuff. But coming to the packages, packages are nothing but folders only. Okay, packages are nothing but folders only. Their purpose is also to organize the stuff under the Python projects. Okay, let me practically show you how we can use packages for organizing stuff in Python projects. Okay, and also I'll show you like what will happen when you create packages. Without packages, what will happen after you create the packages in the Python projects, how the things change and all those things I'm going to explain. So firstly, I'll open this PyCharm IDE where we have this sample Python project, okay, which is already created here. So first, I'll not create any package, guys. Without creating the package, what I will do is I'll just simply create the modules. Okay, you already know, right? In the previous session, I explained about the modules in Python. Okay, I'll just create the modules, which are nothing but the Python files having some set of functions. Okay, so I'll create a module. Let's say calculator module. Okay, calculator module I created, guys. So here in the calculator module, I'll create some functions. Def, addition, some sample functions I'm creating is here sum is equal to a plus b, and here I'll say return sum. Okay, this is one function I created. Another sample function I'll create, subtraction a comma b. So modules in Python are nothing but the, okay, modules in Python are nothing but the Python files having some set of functions. Okay, like this. So here I can create any number of functions inside this calculator module. Okay, return sum. Okay, so these are two functions for now. So one module is created. So I'll create one more module, guys. I'll create another module, say uh, animals. Okay, animals module. I'm just creating another module known as animals module. In this module also, I'm just going to create let's say I'll create let's say class. Okay, class, animals class. Under this I'll create some methods, say def. Okay, say def I'll say cat. Okay, I'm a cat. Def, okay, def dog. Print dog. Dog. Def cat is over, dog is over. Rabbit. Print, like this some sample, okay, methods I'm creating inside the class inside this animals module. Okay, so here I'll say I'm a rabbit. Fine. So far so good. Okay, so here animals and calculator modules I created. So I want to organize this modules properly, guys. Okay, I want to organize these modules properly. Before I organize these modules properly, I'll create another kind of another Python file, guys. A demo Python file I create, and here in this Python file, what I want to do is I want to access this animals and calculator modules inside this Python file. Okay, demo.python file. How to how to access the functions, set of functions inside this animals or calculator. For example, if I want to access the set of functions inside this calculator, what I have to do? I have to import this module first. Okay, import the module, and after that, using the module name, I have to access the functions inside the calculator. Okay, like this I can access. The print of like this, right? Run this code. You see, 9 will be printed in the output. Okay, the result of this addition, that is 5 plus 4, 9 will be printed in the output. So similarly, if I want to access, okay, the set of functions under the classes of these animals, okay, what I have to do? I have to say import animals, okay, animals module, and here I'll say animals dot, what is the class name? Under the animals module, we have the animals class. Under the animals class, we have this function, right? Methods. So I have to say animals dot. I have to create an object for the animals, and using the object reference of these animals, I have to call a dot cat. Okay, a dot dog, like this. Okay, run this code, it will work. So this is a default way of okay. If you don't have any packages, and if the modules and this demo.python file are inside the are at the same level here, this is the thing. But I want to categorize, guys. I want to organize the stuff properly. Okay, so I want to create a package, and I want to move. For example, I'll create a package here. So here, right click on the project and say new, and create a Python package. I'll say pack, okay, pack animals, okay, pack animals. I'll say pack animals. I'll give this name pack animals. So under this pack animals, I'll move this animals, guys. Okay, I'll just move this animals. Sorry, factor. Animals module has been moved to the one of the package as part of the organizing the stuff, right? I'm just creating a package known as pack animals. Under that, I'm moving the animals. Okay, so if there is something other Python files or whatever the files related to the animals, right, I may move into the this package. Okay, just for the sake of organizing the stuff. Okay, I'll create one more package, and here I'll say math package. Okay, math package. Under the math package, I'm moving the calculator, guys. So like this, done. Okay, so here I'll create one more package. Okay, experiment package, anything you can create, any names and all. To that, I'm moving this demo.python file. So now this animals is under the pack animals package. Calculator is under the math package. Okay, this demo.python file is under the experiment package. So all these things are in a different packages. Right now, if I still want to access, okay, now in the demo.python file, which is there in experiment package, I want to access the set of functions of this animals module, which is there in a different package known as pack animals. What I have to do is I have to say import package name, pack animals dot animals. Have to say, okay. Earlier, for importing the normal module, I used to say import animals. You see, this is not working now, because earlier animals, calculator, and demo Python file were at the same level. Okay, they are not organized using the packages. But now, since you organize this Python project, all the related files are grouped into a different package here, like some experiment related files are under the experiment package, mathematical related files on the math package, animals related on the pack animals package, like that. Okay, now this is not possible, guys. Okay, because demo is under a different package and animals module is under a different package. So here while importing the module, you have to give the name of the package, guys. That is pack animals is the name of the package. As you can see, animals is under the pack animals. So you have to give pack animals, package name dot animals you have to give. Okay, module name. then it will work, guys. Okay, now how to access the functions then. Okay, again pack animals dot the help of package name, guys. Okay, you have to give package name animals dot like this. So here animals dot we have to create an object for the first. Before animals, guys, I'll explain about the math package, that is easier. Okay, so here instead of saying import, okay, instead of saying import calculator, you see it's not coming. Okay, because calculator is under a module, right? I have to give the package name here, that is math package dot calculator. Now calculator, right? Without this math package it will not come. You see, without this math package you will get error. Now so here I'll say math package dot, now it will work. Okay, you can import like this. Now to access any set of functions of this calculator module which is under the math package, right? I have to say math package dot calculator dot, you see all the set of functions are coming here. Okay, so like this I have to say. This is the way, guys. Okay, then once you move a particular module into a package, accessing the module will depend on the package. Okay, run this code. See, the result is coming, 9 is coming, that's fine. Okay, so there's one more way, guys. Okay, there is one more way to avoid this problem. Okay, so because again if I say R2 is equal to math package dot, every time I have to give the package name here followed by the module name and followed by the function inside the module, right? Every time I have to give this process. Okay, this is a tedious process for me. So I'll simplify this. Just give me a second. Run this code. 9 and 1 are coming. I'll simplify this. Instead of writing the import statement like this, what you have to say is from math package dot calculator. Okay, from math package dot this module import what? Import addition like this. Okay, for now import addition. When you say like this, what will happen is you don't have to mention this. Okay, directly you can access. Okay, here also better, this will not come because here I am only imported the addition, but again I would say here subtraction. Okay, now you see the problem is gone. Okay, directly you can access now. So here, but you have to say package name from package name dot module name import the addition function. Okay, from package name dot module name import the subtraction function. Okay, and so on. So fine, next addition comma subtraction. Okay, like this you can give just to avoid the lines. Okay, number of lines is one way, or just put hashtag here, that means all functions which are there in the calculator module under this math package. Okay, all these things will work, guys. Okay, these are the ways. So far so good. Now what about this pack animals? Okay, animals module under the pack animals. Okay, here if I open this animals, guys, so there is a class inside this module. Under the class we have the methods. Okay, the process will be a bit different, right? So what we have to do here is general, I have to say import animals module from which package? Pack animals dot animals. Okay, module. This is the first thing you have to do. After that, to access the methods which are under the class of this animals module, I have to say pack animals dot animals module dot. Under that we have the under this animals module we have the animals class. So I have to create an object for the class, and that object I have to assign to some object reference obj1 is equal to. Okay, and using this object reference I need to access. Okay, I need to access this cat, I need to access this dog, etc., or I can access this rabbit. Okay, this is the way, guys. Okay, this is the way. Run this code, it will work. So I'm a cat, I'm a dog, I'm a rabbit got printed here. And if you don't want to, okay, while creating the object for the animals class, which is there inside the animals module of the pack animals package, okay, if I don't want to provide this part, what I have to do, guys, I have to modify this import statement. Instead of writing like this, I have to say from pack animals dot animals module, okay, import what? Animals class. Okay, import animals class from pack animals dot animals. Okay, now remove this part. Okay, this is not required, guys. Okay, now you can directly create an object for the animals class, and okay, this is going to work. So hope you got some idea, right? At the moment you organize the stuff in Python projects under these different modules, right? With the help of this, okay. Um, the moment you decide to organize the stuff, different modules or whatever the Python files under this Python project under different packages like this, then you have to use the package names in the import statements. Okay, in the import statements you have to use the package names like this. And as the way I showed you, right, if you use this kind of import statement, then you don't have to provide the package names and module names here. But if the second process is very good, right, from package pack animals import animals means this is a better way. Okay, it looks very simple. The code looks very simple here. Okay, so that is the changes, guys. Okay, that are the changes of using the packages. Okay, so you have to be aware of that. What else is there? All these things I explained, guys. You can also create parent and child packages, guys. Okay, hierarchy of packages can be created. Okay, under a parent package, you can create a sub package or child package, and you can still access the stuff. Let me practically demonstrate that for you. So we'll do one thing. I'll just take this calculator is there, right? Under this math package, I'll create one more package. Let's say math package, CLC package. Okay, CLC pack or something. I'll just create another a sub package I created under the math package, and I'm just moving this calculator into this cal package. Okay. Thanks. Now go to the demo. Now calculator module is under the cal sub package, that is cal pack, which is there under the parent package math pack. Okay. Now how the things will change. Okay. If I have to use this calculator set of functions from this calculator, right? What I have to do is I have to say import. Okay, import this calculator from the sub package which is there under the main package. I have to say like this math package dot, under that we have calc package. Under the calc package we have this calculator module. Okay, then here to access I have to say math package dot calc package dot calculator dot addition. Okay, this is a process, guys. You see, I have to provide the parent package, child package, I mean sub package, and then module, and then the function. This is one way. Okay, R1 is equal to, so print R1 is one way. So run this code. You see 9 got printed. That's working fine. I'm able to access this function from the module which is there under the sub package of this main package. Okay. So I don't want to write all this stuff. Okay, I don't want to mention till here. Okay, directly I want to use addition of 4, 5. This part I want to eliminate. In that case, I should use a different type of import statement where I have to say from math package dot calc package dot calculator import addition. If I write like this, I don't have to provide all this stuff. Okay, I will remove this. So this imports, this format of import statement, if I use, I don't have to provide this now. Directly, this is going to work. Okay. And if I put hashtag here, that means any function from this calculator module which is there under the parent sub package. Okay. So now I'll say I'll say R2 is equal to subtraction of 5, 4, print R2, 5 minus 4, 1 will be printed. Okay, so it's working fine. So you can have parent and child packages in the Python projects, guys, and you can still access the stuff. And I just now showed you how to access the stuff. Okay, when there are multiple parent and child packages in Python projects. Fine. So that's all, guys. That's all. Okay, that's all about the packages. Packages are nothing but the folders. Okay, in the Python projects, packages are nothing but the folders which can be used for organizing the stuff. Okay, as the way I showed you. Okay, I organize the stuff, right? Different modules I stored in different packages. Okay, that's the way of organizing, right? So packages are nothing but the folders which can be used for organizing stuff. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.